Hello, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. This is the third in a series on how to make chainless foundations. This one is for a single crochet. This one is a little easier now that you've seen the first two, and we're really going to make a single crochet and the chain all in one. So it's a really great skill to have. So step one, as with the other ones, we are going to start with a slip knot. After your slip knot, step two, you are going to do a chain two. This is different because we're doing single crochets. And that very first chain, we are going to go into that chain, no loop over here, or we're going to loop over once. And now you can see that you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through the first one, there's your chain, yarn over, and go through the two loops on your hook. That's your single crochet. Now you can see there's 1, 2, and that third one is your chain. So you're going to yarn over, go through the first, yarn over, go through that first loop, yarn over, and go through the two loops on your hook. My little gems are growling. It appears someone is coming home and they have to let everybody know. So this is the process. It's pretty straightforward. The single crochet is easier than the half double crochet. So we started difficult and we went to simple in this series. So there you are. You have a chain and a single crochet with some stretch in it. It's a great way to start projects, and it's one that I really do enjoy using and I love quite a bit. So I appreciate you all very, very much. Thank you for stopping by. And as always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.